So good afternoon, everybody. I gave you a task right now. What will you write? How will you introduce yourself? And the points which you want to highlight when you are introducing yourself. Has anybody completed? Has anybody completed? Has anybody completed? Right now, what assignment I give you? How will you introduce yourself in an interview? What things will you keep in mind? Are you still writing? Have you completed? Done, everybody? Yes? Girls at the back, what are you looking here and there? Yes, you stand up. How are you going to introduce yourself? Come here, come this side. Come this side. Go to the podium and introduce yourself.
Good evening to all. I am Tamka Pai, daughter of Vinod Kumar. She's a businessman. I'm 18 years old. Right now, I live at privately going to Naldo, Patna, but my native town is Sudan. As far as my education qualification is concerned, studying BBA from Siemens Professional College, Patna. My hobbies are swimming and reading. I want to be a graduate in any national and international competition.
Yes, very good. Anybody else? Are you still struggling what to write, what to say? Yes, you are a new person. Please come up. Yes, what's your name? Come here.
I live in Patna City, Bihar. I completed my schooling from Little Star High School. So later on, I completed my intermediate from Shiva Gopal College.
Yes, there was somebody else who is new today. Yeah, come.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshul. I am from Mumbai. My father name is Madan Kumar. He is a government contractor. I have studied my 10th from Notre Dame Academy, Mumbai, and 12th from Notre Dame Academy, Jamalpur.
Anybody else who can come up, who wants to come up? All right. For people who are still struggling, I'll give you the guidelines of what to write, what not to write. Ask and answer. You need to ask and answer these questions to your to person sitting next to you, or the person whom you want to ask. I can call somebody over here and you can ask questions. There will be, I'm giving you 10 questions which you're going to ask the person who's going to come here on the podium, right? And you guys will be asking questions. So what will be these questions? And the activity is ask and answer. So the question number 1. What's the question?
What's your name?
Is it what is your name? What's your name? Let us learn phonetics. Let us learn pronunciation. When you keep quiet, you will only learn when you listen. When you see the word what, the correct pronunciation is, will you keep quiet? It should be spoken as what's. The H should be coming before W. What's your name? What's your name? When you're writing, it is what is your name? But when you're speaking, it's what's your name? Now, there are 3 kinds of sentences. One straight sentence. What's your name? What is your name? What's your name? So what is the right tone? The rising tone or the falling tone or the straight tone? Straight one. What's your name?
No, rising.
When you ask a question, your tone always goes from low to high. What's your name? What's your name? And when you answer, your tone comes from high to low. What's your name? High to low? My name is Sanjana. High to low. आपको कैसे पूछना है? हाई टू लो पूछना है. ओके, इसको पूछना है हाउ टू लो. व्हाट्स योर नेम? ऐसे पूछना है. High to low is when you answering a question. Your tone should rise high when you are asking a question. What's your name? Spoken English में tone, pronunciation का hell of a lot of importance होता है. Only speaking English is not enough. Speaking the right way in the right tone. So the first question you're going to ask somebody over here is, what's your name? Do you understand? The next question is, what is that? Where are you from? Where are you from? Here we are talking about your hometown. Do not answer irrelevantly. We all know that you're from India. Talk sense. Here we are talking about where is your hometown. Where are you from? I'm from Patna. You can be from Hajipur. You can be from Muzaffarpur. You can be from, well, whatever. Siwan, Betia, whatever. People at the back, you are under surveillance. You better watch out. I'm not giving you the answers. The answers you will have to compile. What's your name? Where are you from? The third question is, what's your educational qualification? Write down. The third question is, what's your educational qualification? We are talking about your current education. It means your answer will be, I am pursuing BBA from Simmons College. We are not talking about your school or 10th or 12th or what. We are talking about your current. I am pursuing. All right. The short form will not be allowed. Use the full form. What is the full form of BBA? Okay. The next question. I hope you know all the answers so that anybody who can come here can answer all these questions promptly. Yeah. Any problem? The next question. The fourth question is, what's your interest? The fifth question is, what's your hobby? Interest can be many. Hobbies, you can pursue one or two. Anything which involves activity, like playing cricket, singing songs. No, reading is interest. When you're singing, you are actively doing something. When you're playing video game, if you say my interest is playing video game, nobody will recruit you. आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा, इसलिए कि आप काम के वक्त भी वीडियो गेम खेलते रहेंगे. Here I am giving you how will you introduce yourself professionally. आप किसी पार्टी में किसी जूनियर से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं कि even my hobby is playing video game. You are not talking to any younger sister, younger brother, your friends, younger sisters and brothers. आप अगर वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, इट मींस आप अभी भी एडिक्टेड हैं, वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं अभी भी. मैम तो वीडियो गेम खेलने से तो आईटी बढ़ता है, साइंटिफिक. तो तुम बोल ना, हम तो बोल रहे हैं कि प्रोफेशनली ये रॉन्ग है. योर इंटरेस्ट कैन बी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक रीडिंग मैगजीन्स, या एनीथिंग व्हिच विल favor you or favor your position as a person who's giving interview. Interest can be learning new skills. Interest can be browsing the net. But certainly not gossiping, certainly not talking, certainly not playing video games. ये सब बिल्कुल नो 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 है. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं करेंगे जो कि आपका इंटरव्यू आपके अगेंस्ट चला जाए. So interest can be anything which your parents will like to listen to. Anything which your teachers would like listening to. Right? And what is your hobby? Like singing, playing cricket, dancing, creative writing, acting, presentations, elocutions, debates, anything and everything which will go. Oh yes, cooking also is a hobby. Anything which you have learned all by yourself, self-taught or learned in school, or all your extracurricular activities will come under hobbies. All your extracurricular activities at school or college will be your hobby if you are involved in it. All sports items, all fine arts items like singing, dancing, embroidery, gardening, cooking, playing guitar. So when you are performing, that will be your hobby. Playing guitar can be a hobby. Watching cricket matches can be interest. Watching films, listening to music, interest. Traveling can be interest. Traveling, blogging, hobby. You're blogging, you're writing, creative writing. Everybody cannot be a blogger. Somebody who can write, somebody who is creative can be a blogger. हाँ बोलो. Next question. What languages do you speak? It is important to know what languages do you speak. Like, and you can be bilingual. Like you can speak 2 languages, Hindi, English. You can speak, if you can speak many languages like English, Hindi, Bengali. And can anybody speak Spanish यहाँ पर? तो इंटरव्यू में झूठ नहीं बोला जाता है. Don't try to show off. I am a polyglot. Polyglot क्या word है? A person who can speak many languages is a polyglot. I will give you the word. Polyglot is a person who can speak multiple languages like English, Hindi, Japanese, French, German. But somebody who can speak 2 languages, bilingual. I can speak English and Hindi. और अगर आप regional languages भी बोलते हैं, like Bhojpuri, Maithili, Maghi. Punjabi is not a regional language. Then you can answer the question like, I'm a bilingual, I speak English, Hindi, and regional languages of Bihar. And I can speak regional languages, or make it short. I speak English, Hindi, and regional languages. What is regional? Regional in Hindi? क्षेत्रीय भाषा, अपने क्षेत्र की भाषा. So I speak English, Hindi, and question number 7. The 7th question is, what's your long-term goal? Or what's your aim in life? After BBA, MBA, what will you do? You would like to work in a multinational company as a manager, as a CEO, as an HR manager, as a marketing manager. What? क्या करना चाहते हैं आप? So this will be your long-term goal. I would like to become an entrepreneur. I would like to be a job provider. Right? So whatever is your mindset, जो भी आपने सोच रखा हुआ है, आपको क्या, I'm going to start involved in startup and be a job provider. My aim is to start my own company one day, to become an entrepreneur and become a job provider. या आपको अपना काम करना है, या आपको किसी कंपनी में काम करना है काम, करवाना है काम, क्या करना है? That is completely your mindset. So what is your long-term goal? Whatever. Question number 8. And the 8th question is, what's your short-term goal? What's your short-term goal? The question means, अगर आपको entrepreneur बनना है, if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to work in a multinational company, how will you reach there? कैसे वहां पहुंचेंगे आप? कैसे पहुंचेंगे, क्या करेंगे? That will be your short-term goal. Like after completing BBA, you will try to pursue MBA, take up a job for experience. तो वो क्या चीजें करेंगे जो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म तक पहुंचा देगा? क्या अभी बैठे बैठे हो जाएगा? क्या आप बोलते मेरा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है ही नहीं? तो वो क्या चीजें, किन सीढ़ी पे चढ़ के तुम लॉन्ग टर्म गोल पे पहुंचोगे? शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स कम समय के लिए क्या करना है? लाइक इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, improve your HR skills, gain knowledge, work experience, attend all your classes, attend lab, attend library, be attentive, participate. Set SMART goals. All three of you come here. Come here. This is their question. I am working with you as a workshop. आपके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. यही लोग हैं जो क्लास को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन है. See, everybody, this is the question which I am doing as a workshop. This is their question. This is the question. They are simply sitting and gossiping. Now, all of you ask the question which I've given you. Yes, ask. Microphone low. हिंदी कौन बोलने के लिए कह रहा है? जो क्वेश्चन तुमको दिखाया गया है, वन मिनट. माई सेल्फ, आप मत बोलिएगा, ये गलत इंग्लिश है. माई नेम इज, मैंने पहले क्लास में बताया था. देयर इज नो सेंटेंस लाइक माई सेल्फ. नो, आपको तो रॉन्ग मिल गया, आपको 1 मार्क मिला. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नो, somebody else ask. No, second question. सेम हियर कोई आंसर ही नहीं. इंटरव्यू देने जाएगा तो किसी को कोई बोलेगा आई एम फ्रॉम पटना, तो बोलेगा आई, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? सेम हियर. व्हाट सेम हियर? व्हाट? देखो ना कैसे डुबाते इसको हम. यस, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आप एक लाइन बोलेगा फ्रॉम पटना. मुझे नहीं, मैंने नहीं सुना. डिड यू हियर कहाँ क्या बोला ये? नहीं सुना.
फ्रॉम पटना बिहार.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वन मिनट, बस 1 मिनट. माइक्रोफोन दो. Ask the next question. What was the next question? What's your education? Shut up. Next question.
What's your education?
No, let it be. आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से पूछिए. चलिए. Yes, 7 sentences, no? 7 persons. 8 students stand up. आप खड़े हो ना, आपको आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. They have the questions ready, so पूछिए।
My name is Harmanjeet. I live in Baka.
I am pursuing BBA
I pursue BBA
from Simage College.
from Simage College.
Next question. Hello.
What's your long-term goals? What's your hobby? And
Okay.
interest?
That is why I was asking you to write the question. Next question, please. After what's the education qualification? Yeah, आपको पूछा कि what's the education qualification? Let me say that.
What's the educational qualification?
All three of you answer this. Yes. Did I say use the full form or not?
Yes, ma'am. I'm pursuing bachelor's in business administration from Professional College, Patna.
All of you the same question.
I'm currently pursuing.
Currently कहाँ से? इन दिनों.
I am pursuing bachelor in business administration from Simage College, Patna.
Okay, come on, Lina. What is the name? Where are you from? I am this, I am there. And think Tom, Dick and Harry and life is full of roses and this and that. आपका से बिल्कुल सिंगल टोन जा रहा है. मैंने टोन पे भी बात की थी कि टोन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन में है. नेक्स्ट टाइम stay focused. Take your copies and leave.